I'm going to show you some cool tips and tricks on how to embroider eyes onto a stuffy. If you plan on regularly embroidering your eyes on, here's a few things you want to always keep in your cabinet. Embroidery thread in the colors that you like for eyes. Sock weight yarn. As you can see, it's very, very thin in neutral colors, so it hides well. Mapping pins that can be used to lay out where you want your eyes to go. And doll needles. These are long, so they'll go through all the way on your plushie. First, you want to map out where you want your eyes to go. This is the center. I've got them about 6 inches apart. My eyes will be embroidered right here on both sides. Cut 2 pieces of sock weight yarn long enough that it'll go through the plushie and give you plenty of room to tie off and weave in. Thread your doll needle and enter into the plushie at the site of the pin, coming out the back, approximately at the center, close to where the 2 colors join, and just pull it through. Join the other side and repeat. Decide how wide you want your eye to be and go ahead and enter, coming out just on the other side of the first strand. By pulling on these 2 threads, it'll indent the eye, which will make it perfect for you to see just where you should put your black or other color of embroidery thread. Don't over tighten, just zhuzh it to the point of your satisfaction and then tie it off, but leave it here. By leaving these strands dangling for now, it gives you point of entry for your second eye because you want your first strand to come out in the same area as the first strand. Once you have your indents how you like them, go ahead and knot off, weave through the back, and cut. Perfect! If you placed your strands strategically, this will be hidden when you line it up and sew the head onto the body. Thread your embroidery thread, cut off 12 to 14 inches, and get ready to sew on your little eye. Start from underneath, begin weaving, just go back and forth, leaving about a 3 to 4 inch tail on the end, until you're satisfied with the width of the eye. Once you're satisfied with your eye, knot off, weave in ends, and you're finished. When you're embroidering your eye, you want to try to keep the needle going right over the same spot, over and over. It'll make the depth, the width across, but it'll also keep it the same length this way. Again, once you're finished with the eye, tie it in a knot in the corner and take your needle and weave it in. And voila! Cute little embroidered amigurumi eyes. So one last tip. Real eyes in human life are not equal. Every one of them is different from the other. So will your amigurumi eyes. Give yourself grace. Have fun with the process. Know from the beginning that they will not be exactly the same and they'll be perfect every time.